Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to control the video clip volume on your reel timeline. So if you want to adjust the volume of that video clip on the reel timeline, then let me show you how to do this. So here I've got Instagram open. Next, tap on the plus sign and we'll go ahead and create a reel. Here we'll go ahead and select a video which you want to add. Tap next, then tap next again. Then we'll go ahead and tap on edit video to look at the timeline. So this is the timeline of our video. So here, to adjust the volume of the video clip, go ahead and tap on volume at the bottom right. And now from here, you can go ahead and make it 0 to silence it completely, or you can make it about 25% just to hear a bit of audio on your video clip. Once you're happy with that, tap done. And now that video clip volume has been adjusted on your reel timeline. So there you go, guys. That is how to control the video clip volume on the reel timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.